Sorry, my boss. Sorry. General. Observer, my boss.
Drink water, my brother. Only for love and respect.
What I did here is to bring public attention. Gentle people, please. We have to have some discipline. If I never discipline, we couldn't have better. We as Jamaicans, we have to learn to kind of maintain that. All right. Short order, what I was up. Maybe some of you would have heard about a lone fireman who have done a protest. The Jamaica Fire Brigade members, we have a system of work in which we must be at work every day of our life. 7, 3 and 10, it is terrible. All right, what we're asking the management for is a work system in which we can get some time off so we can get a we call it work-life balance. You understand? That would have translated into you, the public, getting a better service. The general welfare for us, where the fireman them, look at those gears. Each member is given 1 gear. But when we go to a fire, say, like we say, Kentire dump, illegal dumps, New Haven, when you have like asbestos material burn, a lot of medical waste, them put it down there, burn it. When that get on the 1 unit, there is no facility at the HWT fire station or anywhere else to cleanse that. We must then take that gear. If you're working every day now, see the thickness of the gear, how will you get that dry? You don't live next to the station, you have man live all long pill on them place there. We take it on what we must do, pop it into the same machine where my 4-year-old son and my wife expose her to cancer-causing material.
What was the deciding factor for you to come down, General?
Deciding factor? I got a wife from a call. I got a call from my wife. Yeah? The thing is, there are 3 main points. 3 main points. 1, better welfare. 2,